warning tonight about whooping cough. Cases are on the rise, and with the holiday season, doctors worry it could spread.
KMBC 9's David Hall shows us what we can do to keep ourselves safe.
Yes, we are standing outside of the health department, and doctors tell us that you need to start paying attention to potential whooping cough symptoms because there's been a resurgence in cases over in Wichita. Now, health officials say early signs are coughing, a normal cold that just gets worse, and then the coughing could even make it hard for you to breathe. They say for young children and babies, this can become a lethal infection, so you need to get them vaccinated. Just to give you some idea of how serious this issue is, doctors we spoke with today say they are seeing more cases right now than back in the 1950s when this vaccine came out.
Well, the most important thing is prevention, and that's by vaccinating people. We really think this resurgence of pertussis or whooping cough that's around the country has to do with under-vaccination rates. And it is potentially treatable with antibiotics, but especially in younger children, babies, even that may not be enough.
And doctors tell us it is extremely important to pay attention to children, especially because their symptoms can eventually, potentially, turn into pneumonia and even respiratory issues. Reporting, I'm David Hall, KMBC 9 News.
Doctors say a good way to prevent sickness is to wash your hands, cover your cough, and get vaccinated.